Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add watermark to Instagram Reel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to create a reel on my Instagram. I'm going to click on this plus button and I'm going to select this reel option. And here, for example, I'm going to upload a video from my gallery. I'm just going to upload this video, for example, and if we want to add watermark, we can add tags to our video. Click on this tags icon, this one, and then you can type in the watermark you want to add to your reel. I'm just going to type my username like this, and then we can customize the font. Just click on this icon and you can choose the font that you want to apply to your watermark, and I prefer this one guys. We can also change the color right here. We can also customize the background of this watermark, and I'm just going to make it like this. Once we're done, we can click on done and we can zoom in or zoom out like this, and you can place this watermark to any part of your video. I'm just going to add it right here guys. Okay, once you're done, you can click on next to upload your Instagram reel. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add watermark to Instagram reel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.